So we have an issue. The chutes won't raise up. But that's okay, we're gonna get through it. We like to work harder, not smarter here. Update. We're gonna let the wheels down, see if it will build the hydraulic pressure back up. I have no idea. But look at this shirt, it's a pretty cool shirt. I don't think the wheels are going down either. It's part of concrete though, you know. Can't get upset about it. Got 9 yards on the ground. Got 18, let's see here, 9, 18. We got about 14 yards left before it might rain. It's not looking good right now, but we'll get through it, I guarantee it. Back for another update. We got all kinds of people over here trying to figure it out. We got my dad involved. He's pretty smart, he might figure it out.
I tried.
Uncle Dennis tried, he has no idea. I have no idea. Uncle Randall has no idea. The driver has no idea. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but we're not gonna get upset about it. We're gonna stay positive, and it's still gonna be a good day.
Always watch your back.
Go, baby.
You got it where it's supposed to hard to hit him.
Right here?
Yeah.
We tried our best. They called me in, last resort. Couldn't get the pressure to build up. I have no idea what I was doing, but they called in the hammer, because that's what I do best. All right, so after all that, we're just gonna dump it out just like that with one chute on there. It's all right. It's a good day.